Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this silky smooth lemon custard cake. It is really quick and easy to put together, and it's gluten-free too. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this easy cake a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. We're going to start by adding to a small saucepan a cup of milk. Just use any milk you like. Half a cup of cream to make it nice and luxurious and creamy. And to that we're going to add 125 grams or 4.4 ounces of cubed butter. And then we're just going to pop it onto the stove top. We want to melt the butter and just slightly warm through the milk and cream. So I've just got it over medium heat. Keep kind of stirring it. You don't want anything to bubble. You just really want to heat the milk and cream and melt the butter. So we're just going to let that happen. The last of the butter is just melting, pretty much just all melted over there. It's only taken a few minutes. And now I'm going to take it off the heat and we're going to seat our eggs. And now we're going to separate out the eggs. We're going to pop the white into one side. So just have two separate bowls. In one side pop all the whites and the other pop all the yolks. So do 4 eggs in total, and we've got the yolks in one bowl, the whites in the other, and we're going to seed the whites first. Now we're going to whisk the whites till we've got lovely meringue type mixture. There you go, beautiful thickened whipped egg white. It's nice and fluffy and cloud-like. So I'll set that aside and we'll get the yolks back and we'll just whisk those now. And then add in half a cup of sugar, any sugar you like, and we'll whisk that in. So yeah, just whisk it in until the sugar's dissolved and you've got a lovely creamy mixture. And now for the lemon flavor, I have got a whole lemon here, and it's up to you how much zest and juice you want. We like it super lemony, so I'm going to grate in the zest of the lemon. Happy with all that zest. And then squeeze over the juice, a half a lemon to a lemon. Again, it's up to you how lemony you want it and how big your lemons are you using. I'd usually use a whole lemon, but there was a lot of lemon and a lot of juice in this half. I'm quite happy with that amount. So that is what I'm going to use, and we'll just whisk that in. Smells lovely and lemony. Now only a little bit of flour is needed to just help bind everything together. I'm going for 3 tablespoons of coconut flour. And whisk that in. And now we're going to pour on the warmed milk and melted butter mixture that's cooled to the side, and give the mixture one final mix through. Okay, that is perfect. So now we're going to remove the beaters. And we're going to add in the egg whites. Go for about 1/3 at a time and just fold it through. The first lot you can kind of just mix through anyhow you like, just to get it incorporated. And we'll just fold the next 1/3 through. And the final lot of white going in. And fold the final lot of white through, so you've got fluffy clouds all mixed through. When you're happy that everything's been incorporated, then we'll just move it aside. And I'm using a square baking tin that I've got lined with well-greased baking paper, and we'll just pour in the custardy mixture. There we go. And now pop it into the oven, which is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 50 to 55 minutes or until it's lovely and golden, and I will show you that next. the lemon custard cake is out of the oven. It's lovely and golden on top, and just allow it to cool completely and then cut it into squares. So I've moved it onto a plate to cut into squares, and you can see it's kind of makes a magic cake. We've got a lovely almost crust on top and super moist lemon cake down below, and now I'm gonna cut it into lovely lemon squares. And there you go, you can see I've cut a square out of it, and I've cut the rest into little squares. I've just cut it into small kind of bite-sized pieces, but you can cut it into bigger however you like. But you can see it's light and got subtle flavour of lemon, and definitely got that lovely custard experience, and it's super moist and just makes such a lovely cake that's gluten-free and super easy, as you saw. So that is the video for today for how to make this lovely magical lemon custard cake. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this cake a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.